Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Elizabeth Oboro. I'm Elizabeth Olo-Keji. Today we're going to be talking about 8 free ways to own your voice. As you all know, this channel is about owning your voice, standing up for who you are, and be true to yourself. Welcome guys. And in the background, you will see some people walking on. There are some friends of my friend, which are friends. So let's get started. Welcome back guys. Now 8 free ways to own your voice. Let's get started. Number 1, you need to know who you are. It's very important as a person to understand the kind of person you are, to understand your temperament, to understand if you're more emotional or logical. You need to know what you allow other people to do to you. You need to know what you won't allow. You need to understand yourself as a human being to be able to communicate what you are about to other people. And I think everybody must take time out to actually understand yourself better. You need to understand yourself better so that when situation arises, you know how to deal with it. Number 2, you need to have a good attitude about yourself, about other people, and about life in general. That means that you also need self-confidence. You need to trust in your abilities, you need to trust in your capabilities, you need to trust that you're able to carry decisions out. You need to trust that to a very, very large extent, you can rely on yourself. 3, you need to stop viewing yourself as a victim. Understand that we've all have been through certain situations where it seemed we could not take decisions ourselves and we've been victims in the process. But you need to understand that the past is gone and the present now is going to determine the future that you find yourself. And when you see yourself in the future, you need to understand that you're a victor, you're an overcomer. You've been given that grace to not only overcome challenges, but to ride over them very easily. So you need to very compulsorily stop seeing yourself as a victim. Now, the more you see yourself as a victim, it's going to limit the way you can stand up for yourself. It's going to limit how much you can own your voice. And this channel is all about owning your voice. So guys, if you see yourself as a victim, it's time for you to stop being that and instead practice seeing yourself as a victor. Practice and start having this mentality that you can actually rely on yourself, you can rely on God. You need to understand that you've been created to be a victor, and it didn't matter the things or the experiences that you've had in the past that's taking you to that level. But right now, where you are now, you need to have a positive mindset about you are that you're a victor. Number 4, you need to practice being true. You need to practice being authentic. You need to practice being transparent. Now, what this means is you need to practice being yourself at all times. Now, understand that sometimes when we're alone, we tend to be more of ourselves. And then when we're surrounded by people, especially if you're the kind of person that can be influenced by other people's emotions, other people's decisions, now that might bring a change in the way we express ourselves. But you need to practice each and every day. You need to practice all the time on being yourself. Being yourself when you're alone, being yourself with other people. And this will go around to being transparent. Now it's going to be transparent because other people, even when you're not there, other people will be to a very large extent able to determine the decisions you will take, what you will say, even when you're not around. Number 5, now you need to refuse to compromise on your foundational basis. You need to be assertive. You need to stay in integrity with yourself. Now, what this means is those things you will not allow anyone to treat you on. You can't even for a minute, trust me guys on this, like I'm talking from experience right now. You can't even for a minute compromise on that thing. That, okay, because I trust this person, I'm going to allow them to take that decision for me. No, guys. When it comes to those things that make you who you are, you need to be very, very firm and assertive in them. You need to stay in integrity with yourself. See, guys, now other people will trust you and will be able to give their word about your integrity. Integrity is all about you being the way you are at all times. Whether it's raining, the sun is shining, it does not matter. You're always yourself. And it really does matter, guys. So please consider that. Number 6, you have to practice standing up for yourself. Now, it's practice, 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 practice all the time. Practice is a continuous process. You need to practice until it becomes an habit. Now, I define an habit as something when if I'm woken up at night or if I'm woken up from sleep and I'm asked a question, the same my response should be the same when I'm alert and I'm no longer sleeping and I'm fully alert. It has to be the same, guys. That's to me is what an habit is. So you need to practice standing up for yourself when things are spoken against you, or when people are trying to stand on your toes to raise themselves higher or try to bring you down so that they themselves come out as good. You need to be able to speak out. You need to actually open your mouth and allow logical, coincide words come out from it. You need to be able to specifically stand up for yourself. Do not allow anyone bring you down. This channel, once again, is about owning your voice, standing up for yourself, and being true to your own person. And the bad thing is, once you start allowing other people to bring you down, to make themselves feel good, it's going to start as a very little thing, but after a while you forget who you are. You start to become very easy. It starts being very easy for you to stay quiet about being you are. Now, I did a video about finding myself and meeting me. Please check that out. You're going to understand very well what this means. Number 7, you need to stay away from negative people. Guys, there are negative people that don't believe you'll be able to achieve what you'll be destined for. There are so many negative people that believe that you won't amount to anything. You need to stay away from such people. It does not matter if they're family members. It does not matter how close you are with them. That break has to be there. Guys, trust me, the people you should allow into your inner circles are people that trust you, are people that love you, that appreciate you, that value you, and believe in you. So anybody that comes short of these things, guys, let there be like a 20 feet, 30 feet, 100 feet. Let there be something breaking that old. Don't allow, because the thing is, show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are, right? The more you associate with these people, the more their influences start being, the more they start having influence over you. You can't define it because you can't be on guard all the time. But when you stay around positive minded people, even when you're not on guard, they tend to have positive influence over you, and that is how it should be. Now, the 8th free way to owning your voice is to always clarify, to make sure that what you're trying to put across is being heard loudly and is being heard correctly. Now, this means that, especially what I said earlier on about being emotional, it means that if you're emotional, you should take more time in clarifying what you're saying, so that it's not as if you're jumping around or you're attacking too many things at the same time. Take it one effort at once. That is, if you want this specific action to be a result, don't go pursuing 8 things at once. Focus on one and make sure that that one is understood and the result is gotten before you go to another one. That's it, guys. And there are really other ways to make yourself more being heard and to own your voice, and I'm going to be uploading that next time. Remember, we upload videos every Mondays and Thursdays on this channel. I have a second channel, guys. I did that recently, so please check that out. I think I upload there every Tuesdays and Fridays. Yes, I upload every Tuesdays and Fridays. Make sure you follow us on all of our social media platforms. I've started something recently, this week actually, where one day in the week I upload a video there also. So make sure that you check that out. Thanks, guys, for taking time out of your day to spend it with me. I look forward to talking to you more on social media platform, in the comment section. Until Thursday, guys. Bye. You need to practice being transparent. Now,